Alright, hello. Say hello. Wave at the camera. It's a video. So we can see you move. Wave at the camera. Hey! Here we are. These are the famous polar explorers. Parker and Reed and Daddy. And we are getting ready to head out into the blizzard of 11. The blizzard of 11. Yeah, here we go. We're ready to go out into the blizzard of 11. This is on February 1st, 2011. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Here we go! Go ahead. Go ahead, Reedy. Reedy's struggling already with the snow drifts. It's been snowing for about, well, most of the day. But it's really been coming down hard for about 2.5 hours. And look at what we have. We're just getting started here with this big snowstorm. Alright, there we go. You guys having fun? Alright.
I'm going to make a snow angel.
You're going to make a snow angel? Alright, show us. There's Parker making a snow angel. Look at that! Woohoo! What's wrong? Oh, did you fall down, Reedy? Reedy has fallen and she can't get up. Oh!
I'm going to do some shoveling.
Okay.
This should be a lot of shoveling to do.
Yeah.
It's
It's going to take us days and days and days to dig out. We're going to do some preemptive shoveling. Alright. Alright, well, you want to end this video for now, and then we'll take some more video later when it's worse? Yeah. Say, alright. Here comes Reedy Mac. Alright, Parker's doing some shoveling there. Okay, you guys wave goodbye to the camera. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Reedy Mac. Oh, here comes the snow. Bye-bye. Alright, Daddy's going to go put the phone inside. And we're going to then do some preemptive shoveling. Thanks a lot for watching.